Hi, I'm Matt Blashaw, and I've teamed up with Philps Hue to show you how to add style to your front yard and up your home's curb appeal. The right kind of lighting can make your home instantly stand out at nighttime and be one of the best on the block. So I'm going to start with installing lights to the front of the house. It's not only to mark the entrance, but to really make a statement. I'm going to install this Cala pathway light to create an inviting walkway all the way up to the front door. It enhances safety and then it connects the spaces visually. You want to install the pathway lights between 4 and 6 feet. Bring them close enough to the path to light the way, but also spill some light on the planter bed as well. So now it's time to really bring out the detail in the front yard. I'm going to use these lily spotlights and just pick a couple of the most interesting tree and shrubs to light up. No matter what kind of light your home requires, from driveway to the patio and your backyard, Philps Hue has you covered. You can add your own personal touch of colored or white light to the front of your home and make it stand out on the block.